This is a vacuum tube. What it does is it takes the pressure inside of this compartment and it creates it so that it's very, very low. So we have a low pressure. When the pressure is low, it causes our volume to change. What I'd like you to do is watch the volume of these marshmallows and see what happens. As you can see, the volume of the marshmallows got larger. It went up. So when our pressure went down, our volume went up. This is Boyle's law. It tells us that at a constant temperature, pressure and volume behave in an opposite manner. Now what you're going to see is that this is full of low pressure and the air outside has a higher pressure. Things move from a high pressure to a low pressure. So the high pressure on the outside of this tube wants to move inside. When I allow it to do so, you'll see what happens to our marshmallows. What you're going to see here is an example of Boyle's law that tells us when the pressure of a gas is decreased, which will happen inside of this vacuum tube, the volume of the gas will increase. So what we will see is that when we decrease the pressure inside of this tube, the volume of the balloon should increase. It looks like it's working. The volume of our balloon is getting much larger. Now, inside of our tube, we have a very low pressure, thanks to our vacuum machine. What will happen is that the pressure on the outside of this tube is much higher. Pressure wants to move from an area of high concentration to low concentration, so from high pressure to low pressure, which means the high pressure out here wants to move into the low pressure here. I'm going to allow the pressure to flow inward like this. And our balloon is now at regular size again.